Hi, so today we're going to finish off simplifying algebraic expressions using multiplying and dividing skills. So if we start with multiplying, now we have no times sign in algebra. So to show 3 times m, that just means 3 lots of m. We just put the letter and the number together. All right, 4 times 2p. We've got 4 times 2 is 8, lots of p. You times your numbers and the letter goes next to it. A times h, we just put the A and the H together. Okay, there's no times sign in algebra, just put different letters together. Right, 6a times 7b, well, 6 times 7, 7 is 42. And A times B is just AB. And put them together like that. That's 42 times A times B. Okay, so different letters go together. Now, when you times by the same letter, G times G, okay, it's just like writing 5 times 5. We can write that as 5 squared. So G times G is G squared. When we have numbers in front, it's the same thing. We do 3 times 5 first, which is 15. And then G times G, we know, is G squared. Okay, and the final one for multiplying is, we're going to do 3 times 4 first, which gives you 12. Now B squared times another B will give us, let's just write out full, B squared means B times B, times another B gives us 3 lots, so it's B times B is B squared, times B again gives you B to the power of 3, okay, not 3B. So it's 12B cubed, or B to the power of 3. If we work backwards then for dividing, okay, let's go up. Now 3m divided by m, okay, 3m means 3 times m. If we divide it by m, we take one off the top, one off the bottom, we are just left with 3 lots of m divided by m gives us 3. And 3 is your final answer. The letters cancel, you've got 3 left at the end. Right, on this one, 3m divided by 3. You have 3m divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 cancels. You've just got m left on its own. Okay, so the number disappears, you just got the m on its own here. Now, the following question, okay, very similar, but this time 3m divided by 3m. If you see it as a number, so let's say we have 4 divided by 4. How many 4s are in 4? It's 1. Okay? When you divide something by itself, the answer is 1. Okay? So we've got 1 lot of 4 in 4. You've got 1 lot of 3m in 3m. So that will give us 1. If you have 10p divided by 2, well, 10 divided by 2 is 5 lots of p. Okay, just divide it by 2. You'll notice here we've got a subtle difference. It's 10p divided by 2p this time. Okay, so write it as a fraction, 10p divided by 2p. We know 10 divided by 2 gives you 5, and p divided by p, like the one above, is 1. Okay, and then 5 lots of 1 is just 5. So the p's cancel. Okay. Then, last two examples. If you have e squared divided by e, but we know from above e squared means e times e. We're going to divide that by e. Okay. We can just take one off the top, one off the bottom. You see there, we've got one e left. Okay, that's your answer. So just take a power away as a little shortcut. And our final one, okay, we've got the numbers in front, so do the numbers first. So do 15 divided by 3 gives you 5. F squared divided by f, so write it out here, we've got f squared means f times f, divided by f, we take one off the top, one off the bottom, you've got 1f remaining, so it's 5f. Okay, when you divide powers, it's the first number, take the second number. F is to the power of 1, so you've got f squared, f to the power of 1, you take them away, you've got f on its own to the power of 1. Thank you for listening, goodbye.